Welcome to the next webinar, to the webinar of function this time. So this time we're talking about the principles of the concept of Professor Slavicek. These are the 3D printed models on cloud. In a lot of cases, a so-called malfunction case is working very well, or you can manage a malfunction case very well. The disocclusion angle could be calculated. And the disocclusion angle, to my opinion, is the absolute key point in morphology for the Slavicek occlusal concept. 8-degree disocclusion. The canine should guide and the laterals should disocclude in approximately 8 degrees. Here, so this is our patient case. We go to orthodontic treatment, like in her case, or we have to do it with reconstructive treatment. So, movie.